Hello, for this assignment I decided to go with some of the Google applications. This is what we use quite often in our school, and I have a lot of teachers that come to me with questions, so I thought this would be a great opportunity to learn more about Google and to be able to answer questions when asked. So I started off with learning about Google Classroom. This is an area where a teacher can create a lesson, add slides, videos, forms. You can put your whole lesson together. You can actually grade in it, give feedback. It's really a great program. So to start to learn more about it, I added Google Forms, which is another great application that you can create not only assessments, lessons, you are also have a chance to get feedback that can be added into a spreadsheet. It can be used for so much. It's just a great product. My next one would be to use Google Slides
throughout this course. But for now,
which also is Google's form of PowerPoint. It's very easy to use. It can be, it's interactive with all of Google applications. You can make a very professional one. It's accessible from anywhere. Another great product. I also have Google Sites, where you can build your own website, which allows you to share out to students where not everybody can access it. It doesn't have to be private, it can be just shared. It's very easy to create, a lot better than some of the other ones. It is a free application, which makes it even better. I know our school got rid of the teachers' websites, so this actually allows each teacher to create their own and share it with their students, which makes it safe. So again, another great application for education. And my last one I added was this teacher tips. This is a weekly thing. They go over so much information. There is some stuff linked in there on the Google Classroom. That was one of the reasons I shared it. So I hope that with all of this, it would teach you to put together a very professional, educational lesson that will get your kids more interactive, more hands-on. Every child likes to get handed a laptop or a tablet, which this works across all devices. I think it's something that's really great and people ought to look into to use in their classroom.